This conference will now be recorded.
To maintain the relation with the supplier, what is the supplier year of establishment? How many team? How many the in which company is registered, or how much tax it is, VAT it is paying, tax returns, and all the details like personal details, professional details, company details, income tax details, and product details, and any no objection certificate, legal details. All the details has to be submitted to the supplier, has to submit it to the buying company called Kia or Honda or any other company, because tomorrow there is no problem with the supplier and the company. There will be an agreement will be there, no, if the contract is nothing but an agreement. The contract agreement has to be done. The supplier, from supplier side, there must be no problem, because the supplier has not submitted, he has any legal problem with his company in his plant. If his plant is legally located, then it's a problem with the supplier, either to the company also. So this all will be scrutinized by the KIDIA and observed by the KIDIA, and then supplier creation will be done, and a questionnaire will be created. After that, then the supplier has to be qualified. Supplier qualification will be done. Then that after that, India will see give an agreement, contract, sorting. After the sourcing with this supplier, giving some contracts, generating the scorecards with the supplier, because the scorecard is very
okay. Hold on. Okay. So if you will go to Ariba, there are tabs. One is the
Your
supplier
voice is
tab
not
and another.
audible. I think you are in main road.
No. There are two tabs. One is the supplier and another one is the supplier management. So why we uses the supplier management and why we uses the supplier?
Supplier management is how supplier is managing with the company, because supplier management
No. Hold on.
Performance, supplier performance, how supplier is performing.
Okay. How the supplier performance will be calculated?
Because supplier performance will be calculated based on is how he was doing business with this company, how what are the payment terms, shipment terms, how the everything it is in the correct time, is delivering the material to the company in the proper time, and the quality they will be checked, and everything will be checked, quality, and then the
CIG, how many types of a project we can create and how many types of an integration we can be able to make
ITK,
it up.
CAG, RTK.
No. In CIG, I am not talking. These are the integration methodology. I am just talking about the CIG part.
CAG.
How many types of integrations are there in CIG? How many type of a project, integration project we can create in? Yes.
15 or 16.
That is fine. Type of project. These are the number of projects. These are the maximum number of projects we can. Yeah, 15, 16, 20, any time, any multiple ERP integration we can do. But what I was asking is, how many type of projects are there in CIG, which we can be able to do so? So when we are creating the sourcing project, CIG.
Yes.
There are three types through which
Yeah,
we
okay.
can be able to carry out an integration activity. What are those types?
One is Ariba network,
Perfect.
and the other is like procurement and sourcing.
Ariba sourcing. Okay.
Yes.
What are the document types we will be
No,
using in
no,
Ariba sourcing?
Amit, actually the
Ariba network.
integration types means
Ariba
we
procurement.
didn't understand that question.
Prasad,
Yeah, Amit, I am unable to
can you
hear you.
explain?
Unable to hear
Can
you.
you
Disturbance.
explain?
Huh?
Can
Sorry,
you
I am unable to
explain
get
what are the?
what is okay. We have three types while creating a project in CIG. Those are like Ariba network we can use. We can keep as Ariba network, Ariba procurement, Ariba sourcing.
Correct. So what are the
That is it.
subtypes in the Ariba sourcing? What we can transmit from Ariba to SAP via Ariba sourcing?
We can transmit both the header level and line level details.
But what? Which document types?
Okay.
In Ariba sourcing, different document type. In Ariba procurement, different document type. In Ariba network, different document types are there. Which are those?
Don't have an idea.
I think WKMK you are asking.
Yes.
That is the no? WK document types is nothing but WK value contract, quantity contract.
In CIG.
That first question you have asked, that I somewhat bit confused about what are the different integrations. That what I didn't get you that. What is that actually? You are asking that all that user integration sourcing that you are asking what that means. First question. No, no. I'm asking that first question is you asked what are the integration types. No? She gave some 15 or 20 told. What I didn't get that about that. I think Aisha know about it.
Those
Not
integration
Aisha.
projects. See, that is like in the CIG, 15 types of an integration projects he has created.
15 types of integration project.
Projects. These are the number of projects. It means that
Hmm.
we can have 15 multiple ERPs can be integrated via one CIG to the different Ariba as well as multiple ERPs. Now, just take an
Multiple
example.
ERP means S4HANA, Oracle, JD Edwards, people
No.
people
CIG,
or one only
CIG,
S4HANA.
okay. Can CIG be used for any other?
Yeah, it can be used. No, it can be
Anyone?
integrated with other yes. Can be
Can
integrated
anyone?
with JD Edwards. It can be
No, it
integrated
can't.
with
We can't integrate with JD. With JD, we can't.
people's out. By using web services, it will be integrated.
No.
But those ERP systems don't have web services. Means CIG we can't. With a batch
By
processing
using
only
domain
you need to.
or
With a batch.
XML.
With a batch
No.
processing only these PeopleSoft and JD Edwards can be integrated with
Yes.
Yeah, with batch profile. And if you are going for the web services, XMLs are also, because different type of protocols will be there. If you are going for the web services like SOAP protocol, the protocols that will be integrated with the consistent to other system. I think, is it correct, Ashok?
It is wrong.
Wrong? Okay.
Yeah.
Then what?
CIG,
If CAG want to connect with the, now yesterday you told, no, when I asked about the document type, you told that if it is JD Edwards, then what is the document type? If you can be, you
yes,
asked me, then now it will
correct.
be, now we can tell.
No. See, hold on. When we are using the CIG, CIG, CIG is specifically only SAP to Ariba and Ariba to SAP. Simple. No
Means
JD.
ERP or SAP?
SAP, not ERP.
Yeah.
When we are using JD CIG, see, there are three types of an integrations Ariba can be able to perform. What are those three types of an integrations? I'm talking about the how many type of integrations are there. Tell me. First one that you told me, ITK is the first. Second one is the CIG.
CAG, the
And
third one is
file
Web
transmission.
services.
web services.
So ITK can follow either web services or it can follow batch file transmission.
Okay.
Correct?
Okay.
So these are the main three types of integrations.
And second one,
In
web
this,
services.
in this, most famous one or currently trending is only CIG.
Okay. If CAG want to
Okay.
integrate it with other people's of or JD Edwards, then
It can't happen.
it will be used?
No, it can't be done.
It can't be done.
With the,
But on that day you told
no,
no that about the document type you have that
that is
STO you have done. No, we have made one of that. You told me, no?
ITK. That is via ITK.
No. In the transaction we have we saw the one of the video, no, that what
See, actually, that is not a CIG. See, for CIG, where I have to log in? Can anyone tell me how to log into the CIG portal?
Go to Administration Integration Manager and then CIG. Click on
Okay.
CIG. We will be getting Visit Cloud Integration Gateway.
Perfect. So that is the different portal itself. So if you are willing to implement the CIG, the cost will also be the different. It would not same. Licensing cost and all will be different one. Whenever we will
then
be
15 multiple projects, some Amul told, no, 15 multiple projects we can do.
that is what we have added. That is what we have added in the
15
CIG
projects.
cloud integration gateway is the process to add the multiple integration types and multiple integration projects. It is the way to do the multiple integration projects.
Okay, by connecting with the client server.
Absolutely right.
By using that
We have
IDs.
we have different type of an integration products.
Domain IDs, no? By using domain IDs, client domain
Correct.
IDs, we can add. That is the thing.
Yeah, that I have shown you, right? There is a IP.
Yeah. IP. Yeah.
We need to update
If it's development system, the development ID will be We have to add
Correct.
to that
Actually,
domain.
I will tell
Like
you in
15
case
we
of
can add. If 15 we can add.
15, nahi, more than 50, as many as we want.
Uh-huh.
So like they are working with Rekid Benkaiser, okay?
Okay,
In the, in the
Argue.
Rekid Benkaiser, how many ERPs are there? Two.
S4 Hana.
Oh, we have two ERPs, JD and SAP ECC.
No, but this is the only two ERPs you are talking about. How many
Yes.
instances are there? How many instances are there? SAP
Hundreds.
instances.
Hundreds of instances.
Right? There could
Hundreds of
be more
instances.
than 50, 40, 30.
Yeah.
There
Yeah,
could be hundreds of, means it's like, see how it happens for Singapore region, one. Then for Malaysia region, one instance. Then for India region, two instances. It means that two ERP systems are there. Correct?
Servers.
Yes.
Right. So now I want to integrate, I want to use only one Ariba, but wants to integrate all the systems. I am using only one Ariba license. But I wanted to have all the systems. Then how I will do?
We can add. We can add them.
So via CIG, we will create the different projects, sourcing projects, right? And that integration projects, we will add those three types: Ariba sourcing, Ariba procurement, and Ariba network. Ariba network. So I ask you which document types can be converted via CIG. Okay. So first document type is what?
MKWK.
If we are using the procurement, PR to PR conversion, right? So we will be having a PR document type in the Ariba procurement, whereas in the sourcing, we have the quote request.
Means PR document type
We
means
do.
NB.
No. See, don't go to the SAP part. Okay. See, just take an example. I want to migrate purchase requisition from SAP to Ariba. I want to migrate purchase requisition from SAP to Ariba. So in CIG, I have to select Ariba procurement. Correct? I can't, if I am selecting the Ariba sourcing, then I can't migrate PR.
Yes.
Right?
Yeah, Amit.
If I am selecting the Ariba sourcing, then I can migrate quote request and contract request. If I am selecting the Ariba sourcing, then I can, I think, have you gone through the CIG interface? Then I probably would be able to understand this part. If you would have been gone through the CIG interface, then you can be able to understand this part. What is happening?
అమ్మ కొరేస్తున్నా
Hmm.
C.
Yeah.
In this integration manager, we do have a cloud integration gateway. See here, this is what I want to ask you. Import sourcing request from S4HANA. So this sourcing request, if I want to import the sourcing request, what I should use? I have to use only Ariba sourcing project. Correct? If I want to import procurement request,
Means
okay,
import means we are
then
making connection.
making the connection, that is live connection which will happen.
Importing. Transfer data transfer.
Data transmission, yes. See, in this case, RFQ confirmation to S4HANA. If we will be doing this RFQ confirmation, so RFQ confirmation, what Prasad said, we need to have Ariba sourcing.
Yes.
Okay, purchase contract, Ariba sourcing, quotation, but now quotation confirmation, again Ariba sourcing. But here you can see this export RFX awards to S4HANA. Again, Ariba sourcing. See, all these are the sourcing related things. If it is a purchase order, then it would be what? See, now these are the 15 projects. So in this way, as a sample, we can create as many projects as we want. But when we will be creating this sample project.
For each and every, we have to first connect with that, no? Say RFQ, sourcing with sourcing. Okay.
Correct. And these are the these mappings will always remain same. See here, if you will see this, what is this document type? Purchase order export request. Purchase order export request. This is the document type. So this means this belongs to the Ariba procurement. So here I can select Ariba network, Ariba procurement, Ariba sourcing. If I'm selecting Ariba procurement, I can have the purchase order request. Right? See here, purchase order request. So this is the document type. I am talking about this document type. So it means that over this document type, I can be able to add the entire data. Correct? Clear to you? See now here Ariba source.
Amit, for everything we have to make connection means it is somewhat difficult, no? For RFQ, for PO,
Everything
for
means every ERP.
Yeah, every ERP, that is SAP one.
If I am migrating 10 ERPs, then in case
for every transactional that are nothing but transactional data, no? RFQ, PO, PR. We are making one connection.
correct.
For all that we can make one
Perfect.
connection.
No. For Ariba sourcing, one connection. For Ariba procurement, one connection. And for Ariba network, one connection. Max to max, 3 connections.
Okay. Correct. Yes, got it.
Now
network
check.
Network means what? Network connection?
Oh God. You tell me what is network. How can this question come now? You did like whenever you have done the supplier registration, where you have done this.
Network ID. Okay. That is that
so
connection.
Via Ariba network, what will happen?
Network ID will be created. We have
Okay,
created
right. But this network ID, we have created RFQ, right? But at the same time, we can create some other things as well, na? It is not only the Ariba network ID itself which we will be making it up. Other things also can be made via this.
By using that supplier, we can make a lot of procurements in each and every
Absolutely. Absolutely right. By
PO can be
using
done,
this PO confirmation can be done.
PIR.
PI, no, not PIR and all. Don't mix SAP MM with Ariba.
No. In yesterday, one of your example, I saw that PIR.
PIR,
Purchase info
what?
record.
Where I said?
I saw yesterday one of that. I saw because it is nothing but vendor and plant, no?
Purchase info record.
I saw this yesterday. Whenever you're showing that, there is an info record information.
Mm-mm.
Vendor
I
material
don't.
information will be there. No, that is the common.
Okay. That integration part, na. Okay, yeah, that I agree. Yeah, I agree with you.
That will be
Okay.
used
I
in
will
POs.
see, guys, this kind of questions will be asked to you whenever you will go to interviews and all, na. Definitely you will have such kind of a questions.
Means they will ask what is integration, no? What is the you
Not
asked
an
a
integration,
very
but
nice way you
in
asked.
but in general you will have such kind of questions in
How
general.
many how many type
Ariba,
of integrations will be done, no?
Ariba upstream, Ariba downstream difference, different document types, then sourcing request, sourcing project difference, quick project, full project difference, template addition, how to change the timing rule, how to make the changes in the timing rules.
Timing rules, sir.
Timing rules, where it will come? Where we will have the timing rules. How to mass edit the data, how to mass import the data. What are the different ways to mass import the data? What is Ariba business blueprint? What is Ariba BBP, business blueprint? What is the blueprint in SAP Ariba? Did you remember? I have shown you one day. How the business blueprint, now you just take, now you learned all the theory. When you start doing the project, how you will start the project? How you will start carrying out the project? Aisha, are you there?
Yes, Amit. Like based on
How?
the business blueprint.
But how? But how the Ariba blueprint will be there?
Yeah, blueprint is nothing but we will have ASUS and to be process. What is the current business, domain based? First, we have to understand what is their business, and we have to exactly map into the Ariba requirements. Consider they are going through the sourcing or supplier
Correct.
selection, contract
Right.
management.
And how
So,
we
yeah, tell me.
will be doing this? So have you seen those two blueprint? I think I have shared it with you, right,
Yeah,
Aisha?
I remember. Yes.
Ariba blueprint.
Yes. As Ariba
So have you
supports a
gone through it?
P2O and P2. Yes, Amit.
Okay, tell me.
Yeah, Ariba supports P2P and P2O, right? So first we have to understand if we have any historical system, if we can integrate to the Ariba and the downstream we can go with the PO invoice, or we have to first understand. So based on that we have to configure. And as you said, we have CIG. Yeah, so this is the cloud integration gateway where we have, suppose we have an ERP system, so we can synchronize the data between this ERP and Ariba system. So after that, the same flow will start where first we have to go with the supplier, and then once the supplier is onboarded, then we will go through the process. We have these different events, right? So once the supplier is onboarded, then only we can start the sourcing or contract, and in the downstream PO, goods receipt invoice, that all the process start from here.
Okay, fine. Then I would have one question. What are the different roles available in SAP Ariba? Means if you are imported to the project, how and what all activities you will perform over there?
Yeah, different roles will have a user role, which is again the end user role, and a consultant role. As a
Right.
consultant, we
In
have
the
to
consultant, like as if you become a Ariba consultant, what would be the expected task you are supposed to perform?
yeah. So if it is like we have a number of tasks, since we don't have any technical consultant, all the technical and functional activities will be carried out. Say that a template creation for sourcing, contract, the user role definition, approvals,
Correct.
CIG part also, and spend management. If
CIG
we
part,
talk about the
CIG part, see CIG
yeah,
part,
sorry, CIG part there is
not
yeah, yeah.
not so much. Means in the CIG part, you don't need to import as much energy as we are expecting, but at least
Yeah, if the
upstream,
user requests
downstream.
to, yeah, in the upstream, if the user requests to change the document type, so in that case, we need to support that activities.
Absolutely right. Then
Yeah, and spend
loading of the
loading,
master data
yes,
load.
downloading. If the user need a report, sorry, to download and give any master data, then we have to download it in the administration. Like SPRO, we have in Ariba administration, right? So we have to go there
Absolutely.
and we have to
Correct.
download, and then spend management we have, which is we have another I think there is separate consultant for this, but as a part of consultant it
But
use it
not mandatory. Huh? Means I just said like this, but you have a package report consultant. Like, see, as a functional consultant, expectations is what? Upstream, downstream, reporting part, administration. In the administration, what you will be doing? You will be working on the
pre
like email
pre-packaged.
template.
Okay,
Email
okay.
template you will be working on, dashboard configurations you people will be working
Yes.
on. Then
Yeah.
plant to region code mapping. Plant to region code mapping is there. Plant to region code. Because in the Ariba, we don't have a plant as such. We have a region code. So we need to do the plant to region code mapping if you want to perform any kind of an integration that point of time. As a requirement from the client, configuration of different type of a reporting part is very important activity. Means reporting, okay, spend management part, that is a important activity which you have to perform. What all other activities you will be doing as a configuration consultant? Ariba configuration,
Like email
end
configuration.
user training.
Yeah.
Yeah,
End use as a end user, yeah, end user as a consultant, we are not bothered about the end user activities, right? Like in the case of testing, we can go through the end user
correct.
activities. Yeah. So yeah, email is one of the thing,
And
important thing.
in templates also, if they want to
uh,
create any
Yeah, hand over to Vamsi.
template, we will add anything. We can add the templates also. We can do. On the day, Amit told no that budgeting
right. In the
tab has been added. First class, first 4 classes. That budget cost will be added in one of the templates. That is created by the consultant only.
correct.
That is
Absolutely
how,
right. Absolutely
but
right.
how it has added,
Like
I don't know.
like no. Budget. See, in the template, it is a simple supplier registration questionnaire. How can we add the supplier registration questionnaire?
Hmm.
Tell me. How can we
Yeah,
add the supplier registration questionnaire?
step by step, no.
Yeah, no. Go to the template part and simply add the supplier registration questionnaire.
Hmm.
right? If you once you have been into the template part, then you can be able to upload the
But in
supplier
the,
registration question very easy.
but in the template part, that budget or any tab you have added, no, that tab how can we add? Because the tab will be automatically predefined, or we have to create it. What I got that doubt. No, no.
No. That budget tab is a part of the template itself. In the template, you just need to add the question. How much budget do you have for this?
Yeah, that's right. But that is predefined in the template.
No. You have to add it.
How we can add it? Can no.
Just I will tell you. You try it tomorrow. If you can't do it, I will show you. Go to the
No.
template, configure
Template.
template. Go in the tasks.
Hmm.
Okay,
Tab.
in the current scenario, na, this Honda scenario, you choose the supplier registration questionnaire template. Okay,
Oh,
in
that is
that you
came
can.
as a supplier questionnaire.
Correct. Yeah.
Okay, if that is made as mandatory, it has came here, no?
Correct. Absolutely right.
Uh,
Ev- everything which you are performing in the supplier registration questionnaire or in the supplier registration part, okay, or
that
contract
back.
request, contract workspace, supplier temp, whatever projects you are performing, whatever activities you will be doing over there, all of those activities would be the part of this only template configuration itself, all
Yes,
those
sir.
activities.
Yes, sir. Amit, in the sourcing also, in sourcing or contracts, can add then any predefined tags like that? Sourcing contracts. I'm asking about sourcing,
Yes,
not some.
yes.
On the
You're
day
talking
you
about
told no, we cannot add that tabs, no?
the see. I told that fields can't be added. Field like if you have this field, okay, category or attribute manager. If you want here, I want to add the field. You can't do this.
Yes, new field.
But new field you can't add it. But now in this auction 1000 laptop, okay, in this content, okay, so now we are in the content part, okay. In this content there are 3 tabs, okay. Now I want to add 9 more tabs. I can add it from this place.
Means how can we can add 9 more tabs? Means which
See,
line item there?
yeah, this is the line item. All this, fill it up, then done.
That will become the task, no?
Yeah, so that is nothing but the tabs, right?
Task,
See, like
also.
no. These are the three tabs, right? What is this? These are what?
3. Okay.
So now in this way, if you want to add the sections, in this
Section
way, if you
means
want to add the line item, lots, everything you
section
can be able
defines
to add.
what? Section defines what actually? We
This
don't
is the
know.
okay. So you just try it out. Okay, so this is one of the section which has been added. In this section, you add 3 more subsections, right? So you can see this 2.1. So this is like one of the new tab which is being added. You want to add line item into this, requirement attachment, anything. See, this template configuration is a simple one. You just need to explore some things. Even though you will spend 15 days now, you will carry on this on the same part. Okay, so now we will move towards the next part. So at least next 10-15 minutes we will have some discussion about the but Vamsi, you did some good study. I found it today.
No,
I
I
think
actually have not studied really. I think we have to thankful to Aisha. She explained very well. all the things. I was not
He,
studied. From three days, I was in some other work of some year LRS also, land work is going on. I was in little bit that tension. I have to have some money. I'm waiting. The
anyway,
Okay.
anyway.
Yeah,
No,
thank you,
move
Amshi.
to answer.
no, actually, this is a long-term process now. Every day you have to do. On the
Yeah.
top of that, we should get the project as well like that only. Then, then it would be advantageous. Or else, if we are getting the MM project, that pain Aisha knows how it is, right, Aisha?
Okay,
Project is
but
also.
project,
Ah,
I got project,
oh, you got project? Which?
yeah,
Which one?
Philips International,
Which one?
Philips International,
Oh, Mumbai.
Kolkata and Bangalore.
Ah, wow. MM
You
support.
got
Yeah, support only.
So
project, Aisha.
from
Yeah,
when?
yeah, I
From
Congrats.
when the work will start?
don't know. It's like today only they have confirmed. I mean, interview they have taken and they are positive. So
They
he
tagged
told
you
he
as.
will send an email. Yeah.
Wow. Then you enjoyed, huh? Last 4 months you enjoyed.
4 months, no, Amit. It was just 2 months.
No, no, only 2 months. Is
Yeah,
it?
only 2 months. Yeah, for August 23rd. From
Oh,
August
then
23rd to
that
October, yeah.
only one
Yeah.
interview was there.
No, not one, two interviews. I don't know, like first interview I did not select for no reason, but this one,
PepsiCo.
yeah, I think it is. Yeah,
PepsiCo
PepsiCo,
and this
yeah.
one.
Both are
Yeah,
support,
PepsiCo.
Aisha.
Yeah, both are support. Currently, they have only support projects, I think.
Uh-huh. Congrats.
Why we want implement?
Yeah, thank you. What?
Okay.
No,
Why do we
he
need the
asked me
implementation?
if I am okay. If I am okay, I said, yeah, in the current situation, no, a project should be there, right? I mean,
Correct, correct. Absolutely right.
yeah, I said I am okay. Yeah.
That is good. That is good.
After seeing my resume, no, they are literally shocked. This much I have done
Wow.
in 5.5 years.
I told you, na, I told you, you were not listening to me, right?
Yeah,
You,
yeah.
the same experience I have. Same
Yeah.
experience I
Yeah.
have.
Thanks,
Before
Amit.
sending the resume, nothing. Once resume change, everything
Yeah,
change.
true, man. True. Yeah,
I,
thank you for
I,
that, Amit.
I know, no. Thankfully means I have that. Fortunately, I have that knowledge, and I used to do that. Spread it to my team, but some people would listen it, some people wouldn't. Because I gone through that experience now, so I know it. Anyway, fine. Okay, so
Yeah.
we were talking about signature providers in SAP Ariba. Okay, so what happens over here? I will tell you. There is a different kind of a signatures, means like a document sign will be there, and we need to take this signature from the third party person. So what this do is signature task will completely enable to collect the electronic signatures specifically from the internal as well as external signature provider, and this is only used in the Ariba contract workspace. So what we can do via this, we can have electronically signed contract, and we can designate a specific official version. Okay, and that version can be added as a signature over there. Once that document has been signed electronically, we can't modify that specific document until and unless there is any kind of an invalidation is happening in the electronic signature. And if it has been done, then we need to re-sign the same. Once that specific signature task is submitted in the contract workspace, so we have to create one task in the contract workspace for the DocuSign. So DocuSign is, as I said you yesterday, there is a third-party website. So what you need to do is you will be transmitted to the DocuSign website, and from that DocuSign website you can be able to sign it over there. Okay, from this DocuSign website you can be able to sign it over there. So to do this, what we need to do is, unfortunately I couldn't be able to show you, but I will try to have as many things as I can. Okay, so what we have to do is there will be the setup that we need to carry out, and the customer will purchase a separate license for the DocuSign as well as for the Adobe e-signature, so the one which we will be showing to you. Okay, so there will be the customer engagement executive that will help to acquire the DocuSign entitlements, and via this we can be able to make sure that this DocuSign will be attended. So as I have shown you, where can I see this DocuSign? Project manager and then signature providers. Over there we can have this DocuSign available over there, and with this DocuSign what we can do is we can be enable the electronic signature, and this will collect the specific electronic signature documentation. So what are the see now you might have questions like how to activate this, what activities to be done. It is same. Unfortunately I couldn't be able to show you the demo of the same. Okay, if I get any realm, Aisha, in that realm what I have provided, do we have that DocuSign feature? I don't think so.
No.
No, right? So what happens is in the contract workspace or in the contract management, we have this DocuSign. Once we have enabled it now, we need to enter the user ID, password, demo account, all that stuff I have to enter. Okay, and once I have entered this, what will happen is it will automatically go to that link, and through this I can be able to carry out the document signature. So specifically for that purpose we will be using this DocuSign as a template. So only remember this one thing, project manager, and in the project manager we do have the signature provider, and in that signature provider we can be able to have the DocuSign. Okay, that is nothing but the document signature, and we can get the cloud e-signature over there, and through this cloud e-signature you can be able to make as many changes as we wanted to have. Now in terms of an email templates, so if you want to make any type of the changes in the email template, so yesterday I have shown you like how to make the changes in the email template. If you want to make the supplier manager email template changes, okay, and for to whom we have to send, that also Mithun had suggested us. We have to go to the core administration, and by going to the core administration you can be able to make the changes into this email template. Okay, or you can be able to make the changes of the same. Then template background action task status. So what does that mean? What we have is there are ample of background tasks. It means that if any background tasks has to be prepared, okay, and if any background tasks needs to be added in the specific template, like auto jobbing, auto manufacturing, or any kind of auto things, That can happen via this template background action task. Then mass delete status. So mass deletion, I wouldn't say, because it
Means
is not
what?
useful for
It's
you.
like Amit. It's like background jobs, no?
Mhm.
Like SM37. We will go in
Correct. Absolutely
background
right.
jobs. We have to step by step.
Yes,
We have to make the, and it will be.
perfect.
That is the thing,
Right.
no?
Once
Here, what
from
are the
how
different?
many days,
Huh? What is
uh,
it?
how many days you are not doing the job?
I am not doing job from last 5 months,
From
5 to 6
5 months.
months.
Why?
Mm. Why means not doing it.
Hmm. You have a good knowledge, huh?
Yeah, I have good
But
knowledge, but little bit lazy.
good 6 months. But I don't think you need to do a job.
And why? Why? Daily I am doing
You think
job, no,
what?
background job.
So when do you have a plan to go on job?
No, I will start. When I was
No, but when
thinking about to start, that Corona came.
Corona doesn't impact at all. Frankly, frankly speaking, for SAP consultant, no Corona.
Because no,
101%.
all our SAP ERP mainly depends upon the manufacturing and all
Not
automobile industries, so
there
hotels,
is.
hospitals. There because projects,
I
all
tell
projects.
you,
My friends
recession.
all are in bench, my friends.
But I would tell you, in the last 1 month, I received 6 offer letters. Aisha knows this. 6.
Huh? 6
Hmm. When we are
SAP.
seeing no, how many years of experience you have total in SAP legal experience?
Legal 5.
Amit,
years.
you distribute your offer letters, no, to all. Otherwise,
Ah,
refer. Yeah, you can refer
no.
people, no?
I'm saying frankly, I'm not
No,
joking.
I know, I know. No, no, I know,
Amit,
I know.
just transfer one offer letter to me. I need that.
It is, and Amol also knows this, how to get the job now. Now he also in my queue. Max to
Oh,
max in next 1 or 2-3 months, he will also get a job for sure if he will
hmm.
follow the same method. It is all about how you are presenting. No, means this is very important, huh, guys. Means I was telling you, in SAP there is no recession at all. In every technology there will be recession. I was working in SAP industry. I know it. One of my friend told me, he was like a Seed Infotech. Seed Infotech is a very big institute. You might be aware of it. He was
Yeah, yeah.
a regional manager, regional head in the Seed Infotech, and he was handling the entire end-to-end Seed Infotech. He told me a recession will come in each and every technology, but there will be recession in SAP. And
Hmm.
in Ariba, not at all. You how good Ariba is. So whatever like the questions which I have asked you, na, contract workspace, supplier, then all things, it's more than enough for you to get into the Ariba and getting the Ariba job as it is very easy. Anyway,
Yeah,
good.
today questions are very important actually. Today you ask very. If you prepare
No,
that,
actually,
good enough.
I have
Really,
one file completely. I think I have shared it with you. This is
no,
Ariba
I didn't
interview
have
questions. If you
any
will go through
yesterday.
these 50-40 questions,
Amit, actually, yesterday I
like
want
is
to
more
ask
than
the
enough
same
for you.
things.
What is Ariba
I
system? Difference between surface and abstract class.
I didn't have
Then
any documents, Amit.
these are the only questions. What is Ariba Business Network? Ariba Discovery? Then what are the features of Ariba? All these things you know, right? Ariba exchange, strategic sourcing, payment, dynamic discounting, contract management. What are the benefits of SAP Ariba? So these questions will be asked to you for sure. Then what are the Ariba products? Spend visibility, sourcing, contract management, P2P, supplier management, discovery service, contract management, sales order and catalog solution, spot quote, evolving cloud strategies, what's Ariba pitch? Ariba network means to the customer. Single sentence. If you have to explain Ariba, the best way is that entire picture of SAP, making procurement to more efficient and less cost. Explain what is Ariba network. Can you tell us the budget check? So this budget check also is one of the feature in the Ariba. So this is specifically in the Ariba procurement solution. It's not enabled by default. You have to enable it by going to the core administration. So as I said you, in the core administration we have everything which is related to the procurement administration. How the budget administration, Ariba discovery, what are the biggest challenges in the procurement, what is the mission, the installation to the Ariba procurement solution. So it is cloud based. What are the benefits using SAP Ariba? So mainly these basic questions itself will be asked you. And the blueprint is very important. If you want to go for an interview, the most important thing is how you can be able to, you have to show one project and customization knowledge. Yes, now I think you have enough customization knowledge, but mainly you have to show what project you have done, because either it is a fake or real. It is important to show that you should know what is the different kind of a projects you have been worked upon, and if you know that part, then only it would be allowed for you to get a job very easily. Means what you should do, I will tell you frankly, take any project. Like I have given the Honda, or like Kidia, or I will give you one more one, and as per that project do each and everything. It means that what kind of an users will be required, what kind of a suppliers, how the commodity codes will be managed into that. Okay, then how the blueprint is prepared, what is the first step in Ariba. If you are going to interview and saying that I did the Ariba course, no one will take you in the job. But if you said that I worked on this Ariba project in my company, and then they will ask you what was the client name and what activities you have done. That point of time you should take one project and you should say, yes, this is the activity, first step, second step, third step, fourth step. Like that, if you will talk, then there would be the probability of getting the job for you. Means ideally whatever things you will be doing is not for time pass, right? You are trying to do it for the getting the job. If you want to get the job 101%, whatever you will do through these books, you are going through the standard Ariba, it will not help you. You should talk about the proper project activities. It means that take one simple project, and in that project these are the 15 activities I have performed. So you should take one client, like either you can take the Honda or Kidia. You should mention it in resume. So Aisha did it, so Aisha knows better than me, right, Aisha?
Yeah.
So the same thing you have to do. In one, you take one project of Ariba, then show that I have
Yes,
configured
Daniel.
the template of supplier registration questionnaire.
Ariba, she has done in
right?
Ariba.
Then yeah. I think yes, she had Ariba,
Ariba.
yes, retail, anything. So if that you will do na, then it would be very easy for you. And how to do this? I can show you one document. Uh, in that way, you can be able to do so. Anyway, chalo, we'll stop for the day. I have to log on to the another call.
Amit, can you please send
Okay.
some of the documents for me? Actually, I didn't have any documents. I
I
didn't
will
have
share,
any.
but I will ask a question from those documents. You have to study it, and then
Yeah.
you need to answer me. If you will do that commitment, then only I will share it with you.
Yeah. I will do it. I will take some time, but I will do it. Definitely.
No, not time. I will share today with you, and Sunday I will ask the question from those documents itself.
Yeah. Okay. Sunday, na? Sunday is festival. We are having puja at my home. Monday we will have because
No, but
Rudra will.
tomorrow, day after tomorrow, 3 days are there, right?
Yeah, 3 days there. But
Then,
tomorrow I'm going. We have somewhere some property issue is there. Not property issue. Some
okay. Chalo, bye. We will talk later.
send document
Okay,
to my
bye.
mail ID. I will.
Hmm. Okay.
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 Please send.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you very much.